Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enter pairing mode on your speaker XIAOMI Sound Party. So, to enter pairing mode, firstly we need to turn on the speaker. At the top, at the left side, we have power button. Press and hold power button until you will see the LED light, the buttons, meaning that you turn on your speaker. Here we go. You will also hear the prompt. Now, if your speaker do not connect it with another devices, the speaker enter to pairing mode automatically. And you know it by the LED light. At the back side we have Bluetooth button, and this Bluetooth button blinking white, meaning that we are in the pairing mode. Also, we can enter to pairing mode manually. To enter pairing mode manually, after you turn on your speaker, you need to press one time at the Bluetooth button. At the back side, you will hear the prompt and this LED light start blinking white. Now, we should see the speaker as a device list, so let's check it. Settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and we have it as a device list, so you can easily pair the speaker by just tap at this line. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.